never thought of your kids having a good education?
Well, now you can.
Lady Bird Johnson Middle School.
At Johnson Middle School, we have all kinds of technology, and we are the best net zero school in the nation.
We have iPads and netbooks.
So kids can learn better.
So the Irving ISD website to have your kids attend Lady Bird Johnson.
Just go to irvingisd.net.
Now listen to these students that attend at Lady Bird Johnson Middle School.
I like Lady Bird Johnson Middle School because of the technology. I like Lady Bird Johnson because it's eco-friendly.
Listen to the teacher's point of view.
I like Lady Bird Johnson a lot. I like the faculty. We have great teachers. We have great principals and administrators. I like the students. I think the students are really fun and very involved. And I love the parents. The parents give us a ton of support. So I love Lady Bird Johnson Middle School.
Remember to go to irvingisd.net to have your kids go to Lady Bird Johnson Middle School.